Have you done temporary threads many times? Have you done HIFU or any other form of skin tightening for your face and still are unhappy? One of the reasons could be going to your doctor many times. One of the reasons could be because of HIFU your skin has become loose, or you're spending so much repeatedly and yet you're not getting that perfect result, and that is where this video is essential for you. I'm going to talk to you about the non-surgical facelift with the permanent infinite threads. And my name is Dr. Amit, and I brought these threads in India. The last year and a half, we've done 51 surgeries with amazing results. And to give you a vote of confidence, I've done this procedure for my mother as well. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how is the different mechanism of action. How do we compare permanent with temporary threads? Why do I say permanent threads are way better than temporary threads? So let's jump straight into it. First, mechanism of action. The temporary threads are generally done very superficial in the skin. The face as a structure has skin, fat, muscles. The fat and the muscles get loose and fall down, causing the laughter lines, marionette lines, and jowls. If I just pull the skin, in a few months it will come back. That is why your results don't last. What do the permanent threads do? We pass the permanent threads very deep over the muscle in a layer called SMAS. So it's basically a SMAS lift. The fat is also pulled up along with the muscle, and this is hitched here, and that is why it is way more effective. In fact, on a scale of 0 to 10, if temporary threads is 2, the permanent threads are 6.5 to 7, and a surgical facelift is 10. The second reason you are dissatisfied with threads, the result just goes away in 6 months because the thread dissolve out. Whereas the permanent threads, the silicone does not dissolve. It's going to stay in your body. You're going to have long-term results. The third most important difference is that the temporary threads cause a lot of body reaction. They induce a lot of collagen formation, and in fact, the body reaction sometimes can create a freezing effect. Whereas if you do it for a number of years, later, doing a facelift or any other procedure is very difficult. And especially this happens with the HIFU technology, where if you do it many times, the fat just freezes inside and it's so difficult to do any procedure. Any plastic surgeon will say if you have done threads or HIFU for a long duration of time, don't do a facelift, you'll end up with problems. Permanent threads are inert. They do not cause a body reaction. It's a physical effect of being pulled out. And therefore, even 10 years later, you want to do another procedure, you can easily do a facelift, or you can repeat the permanent threads, and the tissues will be almost as normal as they can. So what are you getting with permanent threads? A more permanent result, much longer lasting result, more effective action, and no interference with the tissue, so that you can do different procedures later as well. So I don't think there is even a comparison between what the non-surgical permanent lift is if you compare it with technologies such as the temporary threads or technologies like HIFU.